Whether you're measuring spices, organizing your favorite flavors, or even grating fresh ingredients with a built-in grater, OmniSpice Hub is the guardian of your spice kingdom, offering convenience in every twist and sprinkle. It's not just a spice box, it's a symphony of multitasking culinary convenience. Versatility is OmniSpice Hub's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to specific spices, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The customizable compartments and interchangeable features allow you to tailor the box to suit different tasks, ensuring that you have an all-in-one solution for various seasoning challenges. Whether you're cooking a gourmet meal, experimenting with new recipes, or simply adding a dash of flavor to your dishes, OmniSpice Hub is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of seasoning. It's not just a spice box, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary versatility. Operation is a breeze with OmniSpice Hub. No need for complicated setups or intricate adjustments. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily switch between features with minimal effort. The durable construction ensures longevity, making OmniSpice Hub a reliable culinary companion for your seasoning adventures. It's not just a spice box, it's an easy upgrade to a world of multifunctional efficiency. But what about durability? OmniSpice Hub doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, it withstands the demands of regular use and varying kitchen conditions. The robust features and secure attachments maintain their effectiveness over time, ensuring that your multifunctional seasoning box remains a reliable tool for the long run. It's not just a spice box, it's a durable investment in the efficiency and style of your culinary endeavors. Now, let's talk about the experience. OmniSpice Hub isn't just a kitchen accessory, it's a sensory delight. The seamless integration, the versatility in culinary tasks, and the overall enhancement of your seasoning routine, it's a symphony of modern culinary convenience. The experience isn't just about storing spices, it's about turning every seasoning task into a harmonious blend of convenience and efficiency. In the grand narrative of kitchen essentials, OmniSpice Hub isn't just a seasoning box, it's a revolution. It's a hero that doesn't just organize spices, it does so with multifunctional precision and style. Remember to share and like the video.